CH2F2 Lewis structure, that is difluoromethane Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, but here we have 2 hydrogen atom, multiply by 2. Fluorine has 7 valence electron, here we have 2, so multiply by 2. So we are getting 4 plus 2 plus 14, so totally we are getting 14, 16, 16 plus 4, 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron will be used to connect these 5 atoms together, and the satisfy of octet and duet of the atom attached to the central atom. Carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative. Hydrogen is always considered outer atom. Let me connect this atom. For connecting two atoms, you have to use two dots. So we have connected 5 atoms together, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you need to satisfy the octet of outer atom. Okay. So fluorine is the outer atom, and hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So out of 20 we have used here 8. So the remaining electrons will be used to satisfy the octet of outer atom. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have used all the 20 valence electron. Now count for octet. Octet, octet, duet, duet. Now check for octet of central atom. Okay. This is the Lewis dot structure. We can replace this bonding pair by a line. So this is the another form of writing Lewis dot structure or structural formula for difluoromethane.